Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to make the magic circle. To start, lay the end of your yarn in your palm and grab it with your thumb. Then wrap the rest of the yarn around your hand and back up inside your palm. Now when you reach the opposite side of your hand again, crisscross to form an X on the outside of your hand and pinch that working yarn with your thumb. Now there's going to be a right side to your X and a left side to your X. Taking your hook, insert it under the right side of your X. Then overlap the left side of your X, rotate your hook down, and pull the left side of your X under the right side of your X, just like this. Now twist your hook upwards, so now you're forming a loop on your hook. You're going to work into that. Now from here, you're going to take your hook and loop it under the left side of your X again. Twist your hook downward and pull it through that first loop that you made on your hook. Now this can be a little bit tight. It can be a smidge challenging to pull through that loop. Sometimes I find it easier to actually take my hand out so I can hold the rest of my yarn. But it's still going to be the same. You're going to pull through that loop that you made on your hook, just like that. There we go. So now we have our working yarn, we have a tail, and we have our actual circle. And you can work into that however your pattern calls for. Now, if you gently pull on the tail, you can adjust the size of the circle. So for instance, I can chain one and I can insert my hook through the middle of the circle and I can start doing a single crochet. I'm just going to work a couple single crochets into the magic circle just as an example. And now whenever I put enough single crochets into this, I just want to show you how to tighten up the circle. All right, so here we go. And now I'm gently pulling on the tail and that tightens the circle. There we go. And now I can join my beginning to my end with a slip stitch. And that is a magic circle. It's a really great way to start granny squares. It might take a couple tries to get the hang of it, but it's super great to know.